House training issues. One of the most common problems dog owners tell us about is house training issues. Now, I'm not a dog behaviour expert, but having run a dog-friendly holiday business for 16 years, I've met thousands of dog owners. This is something that comes up a lot, so we've done a little bit of research on it to try and help you. Accidents, as they're often called, in the house are frustrating, but they're also very normal, especially with puppies or rescue dogs who are still learning. Consistency seems to be the most common factor. Taking your dog out regularly, particularly after meals, play or waking up, helps them learn the right place to go. Lots of praise and rewards when they get it right reinforces the behaviour. What doesn't work so well is punishment. Telling them off after an accident doesn't usually help, as they often don't connect the two. Patience and positive reinforcement are far more effective. And remember, sometimes accidents can be linked to medical issues, so if it seems unusual, it's always worth a vet check. If you're really struggling, a local trainer or behaviourist can give you a clear routine to follow, which can make all the difference. Please share your experiences in the comments so we can all learn from each other, and please bear in mind, as I've said, I am not a dog behaviour expert. I just happened to meet a lot of dog owners and wanted to do something to help. So thanks for watching, and I'll be back soon with another common dog owner challenge.